Hey guys, how is it going? It's your boy Gaza9919 here, and today we're going to be looking at and hopefully fixing the issue with the steering wheel, how it sort of clicks whenever you steer right for some unknown reason. Hopefully it is just the stalks, it's just a case of replacing them. The stalks that I got was from a Ford KA, which, as you may or may not know, the Ford KA stalks are exactly the same as the Ford Fiesta mk5 stalks. So let's get in the car, let's take the old ones out, and let's get these new ones on and see if it fixes the issue. So what we're going to do this is we're going to take this top plastic section off here, and that just involves taking this screw off, and it's out of the same on the other side, so we'll just get those two off now. One, and I think I'm just gonna pop that down there. And now, just to lift the cover off, it's just in a couple of clips. There's a clip either side, and this just pulls over and out that comes. We'll put that down there next to the new one for now, and then for this, now we can see where that goes. So we're just going to remove that top screw right there, and this should come off after we get the cables off. But the cables are clipped in a certain way, and I'm not sure if I should be taking the battery out for this bit, because I feel like the airbag could explode in my face, but we will find out. You'll need something shorter for this, so I think we'll switch to the ratchet, if that'll go on. And there we go. A bit silly using a ratchet, but sometimes you just need a bit more leverage. I think we should be able to take that off now with our fingers. So, right then, so I've just pulled these stalks up and a bit of smoke came out, so make sure you disconnect your battery. I'm just about to do that now. So that is the battery disconnected, so now we should be able to lift that up. And there's a couple of tabs behind at the bottom of the wires that you need to pull, and then it sort of anchors up that way on the connections. So let's do that now. Right, so I don't know what exactly one this is, but it does look slightly different. No, actually it doesn't. No, it doesn't. It looks the same. I have a feeling this is what could have been catching on the steering there. But this one isn't as greased up as that one. That one's quite clean. So we're going to fit the new one and give that a try. And like I said, it was these connectors in the back. They hook in here and then sort of go down and clip in at the bottom. And that will be these two cables here. So we're going to get that new one on now. And there's a hooks, look. That'll hook in and clip in. Right then, so this is the first start up after I've disconnected the battery. Nothing's going bang. Right, okay. Starts up. And look at that. No clicking whatsoever. So we have fixed the problem. Hazards, they work. So we've got the wipers, they work. Everything seems to work. Jets need a bit of work, but the rear windscreen wiper works, and the lights all work. Lovely. Cool, so that is a job well done in my eyes. Right then guys, so that was replacing the stalks on a Ford Fiesta mk5. I really do hope this video was helpful if you was looking to do something like this. And just because I haven't really done it before, Like, just remember to disconnect the battery, unlike I didn't, because, I mean, no damage was caused to the car, but when I lifted the stalks up while the battery was connected, the horn did go off, and there's a tiny bit of smoke, so I just instantly put it back down and disconnected the battery. You know, you got to make mistakes to learn in life, and thankfully it didn't break anything. But that is it for this video, guys, and if you did enjoy it, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and maybe even hit that bell icon for notifications on future uploads. But until the next time, guys. Hey guys, how's it going? It's your boy Gaz9919 here.